Oh no. I'm choking on sand. All we gotta do, Claire, is save Sully, find the treasure, kill the bad guy, and get home safe. Oh yeah. Oh wait, no, I'm playing. Damn.
God.
I really thought that was my friend. Oh jeez, he had an RPG. I feel like I'm further ahead. Look, there's guys with turrets. Oh, missed. I wasn't. Oh, god damn it.
I feel like it's a bit confusing when it does that.
What's that?
Jumps you to the next checkpoint because
Oh,
you're
shit.
so close
Yeah,
to it, I guess.
Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah. Oh my god. I ran out of oh, okay, there's infinite bullets, so I can fuck it up. Boom, there we go. Oh, come on! Oh, god damn this. There we go. Cool. I'm going back to the bullets. Back to the bullets. Holy shit. They're still shooting. Oh my god, there's so many more trucks. Where did they all come from? Well, hopefully it wasn't on one of the ones we blew up. That would be quite bad, wouldn't it? Oh god, I'm gonna die, Claire. I'm dying! Save me! Save! Oh, he did a wheelie. He's like, before I go, I will do a wheelie. Cool, I did it. These horses are fast, aren't they? Holy shit! Oh no! No! I've been knocked away from the cars. Holy shit! Fucking hell. That poor guy just got crushed by a car. You didn't react to that at all, Claire.
Just staring at it like, what the fuck?
Holy shit, someone's got an RPG somewhere. Look, they're shooting off the mountains.
Nice.
Oh. Oh, there's my horse. Yeah. Boom. Nice. Oh my god, explosions are happening. Gotcha, sucker. Gotcha, dude. Dude, I don't know. I was going to say good and dead, but it didn't really work. So yeah, he's meant to be on the lead car, apparently. That's what we reckon, anyway.
Yeah.
Ah, I had nowhere to take cover. I think I've got to jump off more often. What if you saw someone just get splattered by a truck as they were about to shoot you in the face? Then what?
No idea.
You wouldn't know how to react. Boom. Oh, I thought I got... Yes, I did get a headshot. Nice. I feel like I need to... Like, I really want some ammo. There we go. Cool. Whee! Backwards horse riding, here I come. So why have you never rode a horse, Claire? What's that all about? When did you do that?
When I was like maybe 16, 17.
Oh, okay.
My friend has a horse.
Cool. Your friend has a horse?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh shit. So when you were what? 16, did you say?
No, 17, I can't remember.
Oh. Oh, Sully's got this under control. Oh yeah. There he is. We found him. The boy.
Help me, bear.
Do I have to jump on? Oh, get him! Oh shit! Jeez. Oh my god. Who can do that stunt in real life? I think Danny DeVito has the right voice, like the right attitude for Sully.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be suited for him, but, you know, throwing it out there. Because I definitely don't think Mark Wahlberg is any good for it. Do you know Mark Wahlberg? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, god damn. He has a section on his... Oh, look at this. Well, bam! He has a section on his Wikipedia called Hate Crimes.
Really?
Yeah. So, I don't know how... Yeah, if we should support him or not.
What, hate crimes that he's done, or just...
That he's committed, yeah.
Jesus, how many is there?
Yeah, I'm fine, but
That's the problem. There's this whole section of it. Well, I mean, even one's bad, right? But
so how the hell did you find me all the way?
yeah,
I had some help.
yeah.
Salim,
Sullivan, thank you.
we haven't much time. We cannot allow them to reach the city.
Oh god.
I don't
What if they
know.
reach
right.
the city, Claire?
I've been trapped with those crazy bastards for days. I don't know what the hell it is Marlowe's after exactly, but it sure as hell ain't treasure.
What is she after?
Drake, we must go.
If it's not
now.
treasure, what is she after?
The
Is it
power.
sand?
The gin.
Sully.
Oh yeah, she wants the gin. We didn't even think of that.
Stuff with her tonic.
I. Did you like my fake laugh?
Yeah, it made me feel so much better.
Oh no. This is definitely Mad Max now.
Where did
Crazy,
the sandstorm come from?
Well, it was there in the distance. We've just caught up to it.
Oh my god.
We've been split up.
You
Well,
can get
that
10
must-
pieces of boneless chicken for a tenner.
What's that? I thought you were oh my godding the game.
Nah, KFC.
KFC. You don't even like KFC.
I like the chicken!
Must have lost him.
Yeah, I know, I'm playing. I know. Well, here we are in the middle of a sandstorm now. Come on, horsey. He's like, fuck that shit.
No good.
I'm going nowhere.
Let him go.
What, just let them go? Oh, poor horsies. Where are they gonna go?
Must know something we don't.
The
They'll
gin.
find their way.
It's the gin, Claire. They don't want to go near it.
Hang back, Sully. I'll go check it out.
You got
Oh shit. Look, there's people. Oh god. Can I just sneak around in the sand and they won't see me?
Well,
I'm gonna... Gotcha! Ooh, I got sniper. That's a nice little treat for me. I'm gonna go. Shall I snipe him? Got him. Maybe I should have been sneaky, but, you know, sneaky's not my style.
no,
In
go
the
in
leg.
with a...
Sniper.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks like a big guy. Oh, I'm dead. That was terrible. Why did I take your advice on that one? It was your decision for me to do that, Claire. You crazy. Yeah.
I really badly bit my tongue while I was eating dinner. You know when
Oh.
it just sometimes gets in the way?
Yeah. Oh god.
It was
Okay,
the
he's seen
side
me.
of my tongue.
Damn it. The side of your tongue, does it hurt?
Yeah, I'm just thinking it's still
Fuck.
sore.
That was such a bad strategy. Because you're too excited for your curry.
Clearly.
I like skipped towards him. Is this the big guy? I can't tell. Where's the big guy? Oh, I missed him. God fucking damn it. At least it let me get the... Okay, I get that guy. That's the big guy there, right? Where is he?
Yeah.
Where is he? Is that him?
No.
Well, that's a grenade. Oh my god, why is this guy so strong? What the f... I shot him like 10 times in the head. What was that all about?
Who knows?
Oh, Claire, what was that all about? I think it was your fault. I think we should alternate on Uncharted 4.
Really?
Yeah, why not?
Sounds like a lot of effort.
Does sound like a bit of effort, don't it? I don't like this guy. Seems like a strong boy. I think he's a dead boy, actually. Haha, last time I checked. Is that the big guy? What's he doing? Where's he hiding? Is there a guy coming up behind me? Do you reckon? Oh, that's Sully. No, don't shotgun me. No, don't do it. Oh, bam. There we go. Look. This is the one. This is the one. We're not going to have any more problems. I wish I could see. That'd be quite helpful, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Where is this big guy? I don't even know where he's gone.
Must have gotten separated in the storm. Come on.
Get him. I kind of want this big gun over here. It's a pretty good gun. Did he get the big guy, do you think? Oh no. I'm choking on sand.
Where did you get sand from?
I'm in the desert.
Oh, okay.
Aren't you here with me? It's very hot. Are you hot right now? Because it's really warm. Don't you think?
A little bit.
Yeah. I'm just going to shoot as many as I can. I think the other guys come in. I shot him in the dick. Got him. Got him. Got him good. This is a shot. Oh my god, how fast is he running? He's going to run into that grenade. Sucker. How'd you like my shooting?
It's very good.
That body flew. Who's shooting me? It's hurting. Can you tell them to stop? No. Which way do you reckon safe? This way? Oh no, there's a man there. I think I saw a man there. God damn. You bored?
No.
How much sleep did you get last night?
8
on day
hours.
7,620 of lockdown. 8 hours.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. It's a pretty good night's sleep. Where is he? Where's this boy? Poke your head out, you little fucker. Or not. Oh! How did I miss? This looks like a big area where big things can happen. Oh man.
Very big area.
Don't like it. Ha! 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 This gun makes you so slow. Is that grenade gonna hurt me? It hurt me, Claire.
A little bit. Oh, but that hurt you more.
Please say that was a checkpoint. No! Oh.
Oopsie.
I think we have to give up soon. My mind's breaking. Can't handle it anymore.
Really?
The desert has got to me. Yeah. Oh my lord, what the fuck happened there? Blew up. Come on.
He went down a hill. Oh, I think he's a big boy.
Yeah.
Oh, that
He's
was
one of
Sunny.
those ones. Oh, he died somehow. I think I shot him while he was throwing them grenades. I want this big gun, but I'm scared of these guys. They hit really hard. Yeah, I totally like jumped at Elena earlier. Shoots foot. Oh, that doesn't work. God damn it! There we go. Cool. Alright, it's okay. It's alright. We got back to the place I was already at.
Yeah, no, it's...
This can't be the whole convoy. There's not enough of them.
Storm.
Damn it! Oh, he said there must be more of them on... Oh, why more? Can't this just be all of them? Boom. Haha. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh no, that's not gone well. I pressed it too early. You're like, oh, don't die, you fool.
Yeah.
I'd like to see you try it, Claire, you fucker. Oh. Man. Do you think you'll ever get into playing like really hard games?
I don't know.
Depends how much you play, I guess,
Yeah.
right? And if you're... I guess it depends, like, the more you play
Yeah.
like games, the more you might get used to them and
Yeah.
then want a bigger challenge. I guess it just all depends. I feel I'm going to totally be flanked from here. Can you see anyone? Hello? It's like a spooky ghost town. Oh my god. Is there anyone? I can't climb with that gun, but it's a good gun. I must have got a checkpoint, right? No, 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 no. The
We go
music
back.
has changed.
We'll go back to where the music was not.
Yeah, I like the butter over here. Got that one. There's a grenade boy. Somehow I got that guy, I think. Oh, there's 2 turrets. Excuse me, Sully. There's a grenade launcher boy. Did I get him? Do you think I got him?
Maybe.
Where are the RPG? How am I gonna find an RPG? Who got an RPG? Wait, who's shooting you? That boy. He's not a good boy. He's the baddest boy. Look what I found, Claire.
Oh, you get it.
Found an RPG.
Nice.
Ah, grenade! If I start back at the beginning, I'm gonna cry. Oh, okay. That's not so bad, although I am now, like, completely in the open. Cool, right, okay. Need to get... Ah!
You okay there?
I totally saw that coming, because as soon as I poked my head out, I was like, he's gonna shoot me dead on. Alright, okay, let's go get this RPG, and let's do it. Oh, I didn't want that. I mean, that might be helpful, because I think it's a one-shot kill, but... just hopefully that man doesn't jump up. He's gonna jump up, Claire.
Really?
Fuck off! I think the problem was someone threw a grenade as well, right? Oh, shitting hell. Shit, no, 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 no! Huh. Oh, where's another RPG?
There.
That's a grenade launcher. Don't know if that'll do any good. What do you reckon? Should we try it?
It might be alright.
Oh no! No! He pushed me right into the line of fire! Why didn't he shotgun me in the back of the head? Wouldn't that have made more sense?
You would think so.
I don't think that's going to blow it up. Oh, it's on fire!
Oh, maybe then.
So, it might work. Oh, it worked! Oh no, that's a grenade. There's a guy with a big guy with a shotgun coming. Oh no. Blind fire? Ah!
So how did that go?
Terribly. Oh, I feel so ashamed. Very ashamed of what I just did. Got him. I'm quite impressed how I can get that guy every time.
Yeah.
In the sand. It goes well. Ugh. Alright, I'm doing it, alright. No, wrong button. Wrong one. Oh, that landed on my head. I pressed triangle. I pressed it, Claire, and it did nothing. Oh man. Cool. Oh, yo. So, how have you felt about lockdown? Are you getting very bored now, or
No, not too bad.
no? Could you think you'd survive a lot longer, or
Maybe.
it's made me realise how like tedious work is.
Yeah.
It's just like it just takes up so much time, right?
Yep.
Work. It's just like, yeah. I mean, maybe it feels like that because of crap.
Yes, because of crap.
Yeah. This guy's gonna get it. Oh, I think I survived quite well there, but what was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying. Do you?
You think it feels like longer?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know what I was saying really.
Okay.
Oh, I was going to say I think it feels that way probably because we're getting paid right now, basically. Yeah. And I'm sure it'd feel different if we weren't being paid.
Yeah.
All right. That guy did not appear. Where is he?
Here he is.
Down here. Fucker! Is there another man coming though?
I thought I saw someone. There he is.
Oh. Oh, okay. That worked out okay. My gun... Oh, he's still alive. Shit. Where'd he go? Is he there? Oh, yeah. Sully just shot him.
There you go.
Okay. Nice. Nice. It's going alright. It's going alright. This is how I planned it. This is how I planned it all. Oh,
Is it?
Oh, where's the grenade launcher? No. This is no good. Oh, fuck's sake! The same fucking thing happened! You have no reaction anymore.
No.
You're just done with my shit.
You've lost my reactions.
Why? It's not very nice. I thought I was impressing you with my...
like exactly the same bit.
Yeah, but instead of a grenade launcher, it was a grenade that time. Oh, I could have jumped on that guy. It gave me the option.
Great.
Oh god. Alright, I think I can hide here for a bit. Oh no. Oh no. Where did that... That was a quick hour, weren't it?
Yeah.
Alright, this time he's gonna get a grenade up the butt. There we go. Do you reckon I can shoot this guy? Did I get him? Ah. I didn't get him, Claire.
Why didn't you get him?
Oh. I don't know why I'm not hitting him. Just not aiming in the right place. Oh, no. Don't worry, I'm not going to make the same mistake I made. I do need... Where's the grenade launcher? Oh, come on, I pressed it. No, I pressed it. I hate everything. I don't want to do this anymore. The channel is over.
Really?
It's clear. Yep.
Oh.
It's over, I'm done. I'm not playing anymore.
What, after November or using this footage?
No, not even editing it.
So
Fuck
they'll
it,
never
I'm done.
even know how
No.
the inevitable happened.
What, I gave up?
Yep.
Hey, I got through Uncharted 2 and I didn't give up. What are you trying to say? You think I'm a quitter?
You're the one saying that you're gonna quit.
Well, you're the one taking it seriously, aren't you? Sure. Go on, Sully. Beat him to shit. Beat him to fucking hell. Did he get him? Oh, he's getting him. Nice, he got him.
Always
Sully did
count
it.
on Sully.
Sullivan. Grenade launcher!
How did he survive
okay.
a grenade launcher?
He's got armour on, he's a strong boy, alright?
Oh, of course.
That's armour means immunity. You're not going to see my cool move in a minute, because SharePlay's going to end.
I know. We'll never know.
It's gonna all... Where's the other car? Oh no! No!
Is this your cool move?
Oh! Yep, this is the cool move. Oh, fucking hell. How did I survive that?
There's some.
You got to admit that was pretty fucking cool. No?
Yeah, I guess so.
Did I get him? No, there's a man there. Oh my fucking lord. Okay. This is getting a bit dicey here. How did 2 men survive this? Yeah, just a little bit. I managed to just about press that. God. These guys take a lot of bullets. Why is Nate falling that way? I knew that. Fuck's sake, I turned the camera so he wouldn't do that, and he did it anyway. God damn it, Claire. Okay. Right, I've taken control back from Claire now.
Don't say bullshit like that.
It's the truth. It's the truth. It's all the truth. Can you even see the game anymore? I didn't notice if share play ended or not.
Yeah, I can still see it.
Oh god. No. Oh no. Go down. This is terrible. This is a bad idea. This is terrible. Okay, the grenade launcher is not here, Claire.
That's all.
I have failed. I have failed. There we go. I got that guy. That's all that matters. They need to stop doing that. Don't like it. Did I get that guy? Yeah, I think I got him. I think I blew him to fucking Kingdom Come. Oh, wrong button. Oh, not wrong button. I pressed it too early. Oh. Well, here we are. Once again, in the desert. Boom.
Kill 'em
Where am
all.
I? Don't know where I am. I want to get up here. Okay, this looks a bit... Where is this guy? Don't know if I hit him at all. That is so dangerous, waiting for that. I want to get the grenade launcher. Wait, that guy's not dead? Oh wait, yeah, I didn't get the grenade launcher at all, did I? Shit. Did I get him? I think I got that guy. I can't get up here. Oh, I can! I can! Oh, nice! Wait, I didn't pick it up.
Nice.
There we go. Is there one more though? Can't tell if there's another truck or if that's a man. What do you reckon? Man or truck? Should be my new show on YouTube. Oh, this looks safe, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Looks completely and utterly fucking safe. I can't even see shit. Oh, wait, the music stopped. No, it's starting up again. Oh god. I'm just running like a lunatic. Oh. I missed, but oh well. Worked out.
Too late to do that.
Didn't do
Oh!
it. I did it! I did it! Can I have a clap?
Silence.
Can I have a clap,
I'm
Claire?
just gonna appreciate this silence for a few seconds. And the wind blowing in our ear.
It's beautiful, isn't it? It's very pretty. Here we go. Right. I had to have a drink. I was getting a bit thirsty. Oh, in the sand.